Okay, hi everyone. Today I will show you how to receive the Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator and another app from Adobe. So the first, click to search Niva app and try this link, and then uh, click to download now. Okay, you want you will wait for this app download to finish. Okay. After downloaded, you can open folder or open and close. For me, I click to open to install now. Click to Z. Okay. For license agreement, I click to I agree and continue. We will wait for this one to be installed. Okay, after our installed, need to start later or start now. I will try to start later. After installed, you see this app so in the screen. So now I click to this. Okay, so this one I try game Ready Driver because I play game it use to studio edit video and another software. So you can try this. For me, I try to game and click to next. Okay, for this I click to next. Click to next, and the one you see this in exclusive. You watch. You can receive the Adobe Creative Cloud 1 month. So this software you can use many apps include Photoshop, Illustrator, Lighting, and many software. So for artists, you use before artists you can receive about 1 month or 2 months. So now I will click to login to Gmail. This one will show login Photoshop tab. So now I will click to this tab. Okay, the one you need to write email to register. Register, I will enter my email. Okay, the one I will write the deep name. This first and now click to I am human. Okay, so now I will verify I am human. After verify finish, click to create account. Okay, now check mail to enter the code and click to continue. Okay, verify done. So now we will click to submit. You can click to that or no need choices. Click to submit. Okay, you are logging with close this tab and settle the application. Okay, so now you see I already login finished and please look at redeems. Okay, you see. You want available Adobe Creative Cloud about 1 month. You want. So now I will click to redeem. Click to I agree. We need to waiting the website to load in. Okay, after you see, click to redeem the reward you see we will receive the Adobe Creative Cloud 1 month. So now you see click to redeem. Okay, you see with the report RTX GPU you will have a phone boot. Select tab, okay, and start from 17 June from 2025 to 31 May 2028. Okay. So this column you can put from Nivea 30 or 40 for salary review work on month and Adobe Creative Cloud Pro. You can see here the one is information for this student. So now I will click to complete student promote. Okay, so now I need to log in the email. Then click to Creative Cloud. Click Cloud account. Okay, you see this is redeem. So now I will click to redeem code. For S payment method, you can click to see my later and click to get started. Okay. For this, we need to November. You want date of birth and to continue. Okay. So now you see this home. Okay. I search also and click to download. Okay, so now I click to run install Microsoft software. Click to continue. Do that. Okay, so now you see way install Photoshop. You want you can do this, click to click and click to continue. Okay, see questions, you can click to skip question. You want also to skip question. You want you wait for Photoshop install it. Okay, welcome to Adobe Creative Cloud done. The one I already.
Okay, after you login it, you can open this Adobe Creative Cloud desktop and then you find to this software you need. Which software you need, you find it here. Click to apps. You see, for me, I will install Illustrator, so I will click to install. And if you need another app, you can search it. Okay. For me, I will install the Adobe Effects first. You see, I will click active the one first to install. Click to install. Okay, so now click to continue. You can install without cinema 40 by motion. For me, I know this, so if you need, you can click, and if no need, can skip it. Don't try to include cinema 40 by motion. For me, I will try first. Click to install. Okay, so now you wait for installing. The one will show here. You see it. You see. Okay, so now you wait. I think the one needs many times, so we need to wait. Okay. Okay, after installed, you show button open button, and now I will click to open. Okay, so now you see Adobe After Effects opening. We will wait a few minutes. Okay. Okay, after open, that you see the one is finished. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you could please like and subscribe for me. Thank you.